Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. If this is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video. So today we are making a different kind of beans from the regular beans recipe that you know. This is so yummy, so delicious. You're going to love this one. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get straight to the video. And here are my ingredients for this delicious beans recipe. So here I have my black eyed beans. I'm using this black eyed beans. You can use any beans of your choice. I've already selected these beans, okay? So you're going to select your beans and make sure there are no stone in your beans. And in here I have my pepper mix. Here I have some garlic and ginger. I have some scotch bonnet pepper, tomatoes. I have tatashe, bawa, and onions. I'm going to be blending all of these together. And also I'll be adding in crayfish to these beans. Some people do not like crayfish in their beans. Let me know in the comment section, are you among those that doesn't like crayfish in their beans? I love crayfish in my beans. And here is my onions I'll be using to cook the beans. So for my protein, I'm using some cooked beef. I've already cooked the beef and I've chopped this beef. So now we are going to start to cook our beans. And to that I already have some water in the pot. I'm going to cover this pot now and allow the water to come to a boil. To my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. Please do not forget to comment, share this video, like, do all that beautiful stuff, okay? And let me know where you're watching from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. So now our water is boiled. I'm going to be adding in my beans. I did not wash these beans, okay? I'm just going to be parboiling the beans. I'll be parboiling these beans now. So I'm just going to cover and I will allow these beans to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. So now I'm just going to sieve out the water and then I'll be adding in it fresh water to the pot, okay? And then I'm going to rinse the beans with another clean water. So here I have another water. I'm just going to allow this one to come up to a boil, okay? And to my OGs, my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always coming back to support your girl. May God bless you all. So now the water is boiled. I'm going to be adding in the parboiled beans. So I'm going to cook these beans. I love to cook my beans soft, okay? If my beans is not soft, I will end up with heartburn. So I'm going to cook these beans soft. So if you notice that you always have heartburn each time you eat beans, it might be because your beans is not well cooked, okay? Try to cook your beans till soft. All right, so now I'm going to add in some chopped onions. This will help the beans to cook faster and also add in some flavors into the beans, okay? So I'm just going to cover the pot and I will allow these beans to cook until soft. And guys, our beans is cooked now. Look how yummy this is already looking like, okay? This is so good, like it's done. Our beans is cooked, it's well cooked. I'm going to take this down now and I'll also be using the same pot to prepare our stew. Guys, have you subscribed to the channel? Have you liked this video? So here is my oil. I'm just going to allow the oil to heat up, okay? And once the oil is hot, I'll be adding in my pepper mix that I introduced earlier. So here is my blended pepper mix. I'm just going to
Guys,
fry
have you
this now.
subscribed to this channel?
Have you liked this video? Have you liked the video? Please help me to like the video, okay? And don't forget to share this video. Help me to share my video, okay? So now I'm going to cover this pot and I'll allow this to fry on medium to low heat for about 10 to 12 minutes, okay? So guys, our pepper has fried now. I'm going to be adding in my seasonings now. I'm just going to be seasoning this now. And then I'll be adding in my blended crayfish. So I blended the crayfish, and then I'll be adding in my cooked beef. I'm going to mix everything now to properly combine all of these things together. And then I'm going to be adding in some of my meat stock, okay, just to loosen this stew a bit, because I don't want my beans to come out dry. I'm going to mix now, cover and allow this to cook, okay, for more 5 minutes. And 5 minutes later, our stew is ready now to accept our cooked beans. Have you subscribed to our channel? Have you liked this video? Have you just take a second to like this video, comment on the video and share this video, okay? So now I'm going to add in my cooked beef to this stew. I'm just going to mix everything now so that the stew and the beans can marry each other very well, okay? And then I will cover and allow this to cook for a few more minutes, guys. Have you liked this video? Have you liked this video? Please help me to like my video, okay? If you have watched up to now, it means you are enjoying the video. And if you have not liked the video, I don't know why. Please help me to like the video and subscribe. Help me to also share this video, let it get to a wider people, okay, let it get to more people. And guys, our beans is ready. If you want to garnish it with some spring onions or anything, this is the right time to just add it in, okay? I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. And here we have it. Let me know what you'll be enjoying these beans with. Are you going to be enjoying with some soaked gari, that's floating berries, or with some plantain? Let me know what you'll be enjoying your cooked beans with. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to do all that beautiful stuff to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.